Here's a 2017 INFINITI QX80. This high-end, full-size SUV inspires and empowers. You can feel it in the smooth, rising swell of its engine and every time you get inside the luxurious cabin. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports this big ute can hit 60 miles per hour in a surprisingly quick 7 seconds. Undeniably INFINITI. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.